Labor Union Advocacy. I'm Jan Celayala and I'm proud to be served as the president of our labor union. As we come together in unity, we strive to uplift the voice of workers, advocating for fair treatment and better working conditions. Our logo symbolizes the strength that comes solidarity and emphasizing that can we stand together, we can achieve remarkable change. I am committed to ensuring that every member's right prioritize and that our collective efforts to live brighter future for all workers. Advocacy. The Unity Workers Unions dedicate to advocating for right and dignity for all workers. We work tirelessly to ensure fair wage, safety working condition, and job security, empowering our member to voice their concern and stand against injustice in the workplace. Mission. Our mission is to foster a strong community among workers where collaboration and mutual support drive meaningful change. I am the leading voice for labor rights, influencing policies that promote equality and equity in the workplace while enhancing well-being of our members. Goal. The primary goal of the Unity Workers Union include increased member benefits, enhancing working safety standards, and promoting social justice. We strive to engage our member activity, ensuring that their voices are heard as a negative and tackle labor-related challenge together. Relevant labor issues. Our union support various critical labor issues such as advocating for a living wage, fighting against the discrimination and harassment, and ensuring access to healthcare benefits. We also address the needs for improved labor law that protect worker rights, recognizing the importance of each member contribute to their jobs and economy.